the galaxies to form a single larger galaxy. Things to remember when galaxies collide. Individual stars do not collide with each other. There will not be a sudden bonanza of blue stragglers. Galaxy collisions are inelastic. So, not elastic, but inelastic. Becomes a blob together. That is, during the collision, some of the orbital kinetic energy of the galaxies is converted to internal energy in the form of random motion of stars. Thus, a pair of galaxies that start out on hyperbolic orbits relative to each other can still end up as a bound system. Although stars don't collide, so the stars we don't expect to collide, but the gas clouds will collide. A giant molecular cloud has a giant molecular cloud radius of around 10 parsecs, which is 4 times 10 to the 8 radius of the sun, our sun, 10 parsecs. The large cross-section for molecular clouds meaning the cross-section of this collision. The large cross-section for molecular clouds means that the gas clouds will collide when two gas-rich galaxies pass through each other. Thanks to the colliding gas clouds, merging galaxies are hotbeds of star formation. So when we do collide with Andromeda, it should enrich the gas of the together galaxy, of the merged galaxy, and make it more enriched for star formation, a better hotbed of star formation. Angelina. What's Angelina? What do you mean? Oh, Angelina is somebody here. Oh, hello. Thank you for being here, Angelina. Thank you for the likes, Angelina, Crazy Sick One, Steven, Renee, Renee again, Kartikeya, Crazy Sick. Hello, everybody. Please do like the live. Let me just make sure I got everybody. Angelina said hello. Hello, Angelina. Kartikeya asked about the book. Austin, Texas is incredibly strange. Okay, in what way? It seems like you get younger. Okay. Okay, that's possible that they saw us much. Okay, so here we talked about galactic cannibalism. So when we, yes, she appears to be teen or young adult. Oh, wow. Okay. So actually there was one time when I was at this healthcare center and they asked where my parent was. And yeah, okay. So that's so it's not always such a great thing, because if you're like an adult and they ask you where your parent is, it can be a little weird. And also they look so surprised when they finally do see my ID. So I don't really want to navigate so much shocks, you know? The only shocks I care about are the Fermi shock accelerations within a gamma ray burst. But thank you. Okay, so when we talked about galaxy classification, I don't know what I called the live. I think I called it just galaxies, and then I also made a live called irregular galaxies. So if you go and look at that, you will see that we talked about galaxy classification, and there were 3 types of classifications based on shape. So what we call morphology. So those were spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, and irregular galaxies. And we also talked about some plain weird galaxies, which turns out it kind of happens when, make the toast, yes I will. It kind of happens when one galaxy cannibalizes another galaxy, aka there's a merge within 2 companion galaxies. So sometimes the shape you get out is just a weird shape because of that. So we can talk a little bit about galactic cannibalism. Till I turned 50, people used to think I look in my 20s. Oh, nice. Can we get 20 likes? And yes, I will make the toast. I think I will do that right now. Actually, I'm very hungry. But let me read about this first. I always get distracted by astronomy, which I love so much.